The idiom, "the devil is in the details," means that small things can cause big problems if they are not taken care of properly. It is important to pay attention to all the little details in order to avoid making mistakes or facing unexpected challenges. For example, if you are building a house, you need to make sure that every nail is hammered in correctly and every measurement is precise. If you overlook these small details, the entire structure could be compromised. This idiom is believed to have originated from the phrase, "God is in the detail," which emphasizes the importance of paying attention to small things in order to achieve perfection. Over time, the phrase evolved to include the devil as a way to warn people about the negative consequences of overlooking details. So remember, when it comes to completing a task or project, always remember that the devil is in the details.